Hello everyone, so this is how I've made $647 in 11 minutes trading Nasdaq live. So as you guys can see here, the usual, my affiliate accounts, the P&L, and the beautiful trade sinker or P&L card. But let's go into what matters, the charts. So, firstly, when going into this day, I was a bit confused because we have swept the lows of this accumulation again. And we have also swept the highs here, so we're currently still in this is like a deviation, this is not a deviation, maybe the range is from here to here, who knows, right? But we're still in this accumulation. So my idea was, is this a retest higher to go back lower, or is this a full-on back to the range and going back higher again? I was not sure. We've had a daily gap. We reacted to the daily gap yesterday. So I wanted to be very wary of what was happening today. So we had a 4-hour gap here and price tapped against it here. So I was like, okay, are we in a retracement lower or to go back higher, or a retracement higher to go back lower? And so this 4-hour would be the telltale sign. And so what happened here was we, on the 50-minute, we took out this low right here. And after we took this low, we engulfed on the 50 minutes. So this candle closed above this previous candle high, right? And took liquidity of London lows. So overall, this was a very high probable move that I did not take enough consideration of, honestly. I should have given this candle more consideration. We'll go over why. And so yeah, I should have given this candle more consideration. So after this I was bullish and I was looking for a way to interact with the marketplace. We had a 5-minute gap here, but I didn't want to enter on this first leg initially. Wait, what's going on? Okay. On the 1 minute, this was a very horrible accumulation. I have no idea what was going on here, honestly. So I waited for a close above, and then I put my limit here, but I wasn't filled on this leg up. So I waited for a price to come and retest the 50% of this range, because this was a big range. Price hadn't retested anything yet, so I put it right there with a stop loss right here, and I targeted Asia highs. Exactly. So that was my target, and I started trailing here. Maybe I should have just taken the 1.5. Or maybe it would be a bit better. I trailed and I got stopped out here at 136. 136, yeah. And why is it bad? I think that I didn't consider that candle, because that candle gives me such a good idea that the market is very expansive. It's very bullish, because you have like a 50-minute candle sweeping London lows inside of a 4-hour gap and closing, engulfing the previous candles. This candle was just showing you that this day was high probability, it was aggressive, it was momentum. And so here I maybe shouldn't have trailed. I maybe either fixed targets, the 2 hours, okay? Or if I trailed, I should have trailed with more like space. So for example here, and then here, and then we had a another single low here, and then it would trail to I would trail to here. After closure above this highs, I'll trail to here, and then after closure above this highs, I'll trail to here, and then after closure above this highs, I guess here, I would trail to here, and then after closure above this highs, I'll trail to here. Basically, this is getting annoying, but yeah, and then basically I'll just wait for a price to close back above this, accumulate, and close back above again. But yeah, so basically this would have been it. Would be better management than just taking too early of risk reward, because the day was bullish. So yeah, that's my analysis for today. See you guys tomorrow.